Welcome to the Parvadamidam YouTube channel. Hello everyone, good morning. In this session, we are going to learn about our human body. If we were to break apart the human body at the microscopic level, then the cell would constitute its most basic unit. The average adult has somewhere between 30 to 40 trillion cells, and an estimated 242 billion new cells are produced every day. When a select group of cells with similar functions come together, it forms a tissue. Tissue accumulate into organs. A group of organs forms organ systems and eventually a complete organism. Let's move on to the skeletal system. The human body exhibits a variety of movements from walking and running to crawling, jumping, and climbing. The framework that enables us to do all these activities is the skeleton. Humans have as much as 300 bones at birth. However, the bones start to fuse with age. At adulthood, the total number of the bones is reduced to 206. Human anatomy is the scientific study of form and shapes of human beings. The skeleton also protects several vital organs such as the heart, lungs, and the liver. Bones are attached to other bones through ligaments, a fibrous connective tissue. Joints are the points at which two or more bones meet. They enable a range of movements like rotation, abduction, adduction, protraction, retraction, and more. Based on the flexibility and mobility, joints can be further classified into movable joints and immovable joints. Movable joints are flexible, while immovable joints are non-flexible. It is also known as fixed joints, since the bones are fused. Let us move on to the muscular system. Muscles are specialized tissues which assist the bones in locomotion. Muscles are attached to the bones through the tendons. Movement of limbs happens due to the contraction and relaxation of the corresponding muscles present in that region. Joints helps in the flexibility of bones, but a bone cannot be bent or stretched until the muscles act on it. In other words, the muscles attached to that bone pulls it to the direction of movement. Furthermore, most movement involves muscles that work as a pair. For example, when we bend our arm, muscles in that region contract, become shorter and stiffer, and pull the bones to the direction of movement. For relaxation, muscles in the opposite directions have to pull the bones towards it. Human body parts comprise a head, neck, and four limbs that are connected to a torso, giving the body its shape, the skeleton, which is composed of cartilage and bone. Human body internal parts such as the lungs, heart, and brain are enclosed within the skeletal systems and are housed within the different internal body cavities. The spinal cord connects the brain with the rest of the body. There are different cavities in the human body that house various organ systems. The cranial cavity is the space within the skull. It protects the brain and other parts of the central nervous system. The lungs are protected in the pleural cavity. The abdominal cavity houses the intestine, liver, and spleen. Even to this day, scientists are newly discovering organs that were previously overlooked or have been mistakenly identified as other existing tissues. In 2018, scientists had discovered a new body-wide organ called the interstitium that exists right under the skin. Let's move on to the human physiology. It refers to the physical, mechanical, and biochemical functions of humans. This connects the health, medicine, and science in a way that studies how the human body acquaints itself to the physical activity, stress, and disease. The person who is trained in the study of human physiology is called a physiologist. Claude Bernard is referred to as the father of physiology for his exemplary research. Next, we are going to learn about the human body parts and their functions. The list of human body parts varies. The standard definition of an organ is still up for debate. However, there are an estimated 79 organs identified to date. We also possess organs that have lost their function throughout our evolution. Such organs are called vestigial organs. Some of these organs work together and form systems that are specialized to perform a specific functions or a set of functions. Collectively, these are known as organ systems. And out of these 79 organs, 5 organs are crucial for survival, and any damage to these 5 organs might result in termination of life. These 5 crucial human body parts are brain, heart, liver, lungs, and kidneys. Let us move on to the circulatory system. It is also known as cardiovascular system. It comprises the heart and all the blood vessels like as arteries, capillaries, and veins. There are essentially two components of the circulation, namely systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. Let us we are going to learn about the digestive system, which breaks down food and assimilates nutrients into the body, which the body then uses for growth and cell repair. The major components of the digestive system are mouth, teeth, tongue, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, gastrointestinal tract, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. The process of digestion starts with mastications, then the saliva mixes with the food and forms a bolus, a small rounded mass that can be easily swallowed. Once swallowed, the food travels down the esophagus and into the stomach. The stomach secretes strong acids and powerful enzymes that break the food down into a paste. It then moves into the small intestines where the food is broken down even more because of the bile secreted by the liver and the powerful digestive enzymes from the pancreas. This is the stage at which nutrients are absorbed from food. The leftover materials then move on to the large intestines where it transforms from liquid to solid as water is removed. Finally, it gets pushed into the rectum, ready to be eliminated from the body. Then you are move on to the reproductive systems. The human reproductive system is also known as the genital system that comprises the internal and external organs that help in reproduction. It varies for both males and females. Hormones, fluids and pheromones are all connective accessories for the reproductive organs to functions. Thank you and have a nice day.